I'm Don Lundgren, the CEO and also the architect and developer of the system. I want to share with you today the support we provide the advisor for the student. You can see there is a course for the advisor, one for the advisory board, and then the system that the student uses. We've structured the system the same way we have for the student. So there's an introduction, then these 6 lessons, and a capstone project. So they see the exact same thing. You can see this advisor has already taken the introduction. As part of the introduction, they're sent to the MyRightCareer System, the same thing the student uses, and they take the same introduction there. So now the student and the advisor have had the same introduction. Plus that means the advisor actually has seen and has enrolled in the same system the student's going to use. So they can go there and see exactly what the student is doing. And if they want to, they can actually use it. So if I click expand all, what you'll see is I can show you every topic. So just like for the student, these are exact same topics. So in the yourself lesson, these are the topics the student would be doing. So we give guidance for every topic as well as for the lesson. So let's take a look at the yourself lesson so we can get an idea of what's there. So in the lesson, we give guidance in 2 simple ways. One is we show them that all you really have to do is look at this summary the student will write. So they're going to write a summary of this yourself lesson. And this one is of Casey. So this gives them a chance to look at this before they get the summary from their own student. So you can see Casey summarized what her personality is, which is an ENFJ. And then she summarized what some of her strengths and weaknesses were, her interests, and some of the insights. And then she summarized some possible careers. It also has then pages for each one of those things. So there's 7 pages. So there's all kinds of detail behind this, but you can almost operate off this 1-page summary. Then what we do is we give you what we call personal usage. So if you want, you don't have to, if you want, and we suggest you do, then we pick for every lesson one thing we think will help you really understand that. So in the yourself one, it's heavily built around personality. So we suggest you understand your own personality, and then you can have a discussion about your personality and the student's personality. So we make that easy for you to do. So if you already know your personality, a lot of people do because they've taken the Myers-Briggs assessment, then you can use that, and you can just go to this Truity Types website, and you can, I happen to be an INTJ, you can use that to go there and find out all kinds of things about your personality. You may already know all this. And then if you don't know what your personality is, then you can take personality tests. You'll see are on here, and there's one that's no charge. So you can take a no charge one, or you can pay. We give you a discount on one of them because we negotiated with them. So you are able to get an insight into your own personality. So that now helps you deal with the student because now you understand your personality and you understand theirs. So this is a way for you to easily, as an advisor, to easily understand this lesson because you're going to get the lesson summary from the student. You use your own work experience. Remember, these students have probably not worked or had an internship, so you know a lot more about the work world than they do. And then if you want to help them even more, you can end up digging into, like on this particular lesson, something about your personality. Now, this is a lot of fun to do. So it's not that much work, and it's a lot of fun to do. So I think you can see how much you can help a student do this. I hope this has helped you see that we provide you a lot of support to make this easy for you. Thanks for spending the time with me.